Hey guys, it is Charlotte and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. I feel like it's been forever since I've talked to you guys. Like, so much has been going on that I don't know. So if you have seen my post, then you'll know what I'm talking about, and we will get into that in a minute while I'm coloring. So today is Tuesday. Happy 52-week challenge. I hope y'all are still keeping track with me. You know, hopefully y'all are ahead of me. If y'all are behind, that is a-okay, you guys, because, you know, things happen. I know we're in a crazy time right now, but, you know, we're going to make it, and we're going to fight through it, you guys, just together. So be sure to subscribe down below and let me know how you are doing today, because I am doing great. I'm less stressed for right now. I'll let you know in a couple of days how stressed I am. But anyways, so today, super simple, because I just, you know, we're not going to go big. We're not going to go onto the right side. We're literally going to put $3, you guys. $3. 1, 2, and 3. $3 in our 52-week challenge. All right, so I'm going to grab my green little crayon. Put that aside, and then all we're going to do is just start coloring. So, like I said, if you have seen my post, you will know that me and my sister-in-law, which is Jared's sister, we started a business. So we invested in a Cricut, and we have been non-stopping, just wanted to design stuff and everything, and we absolutely love it. So we decided that we are going to open up a business, like a side hustle. You know, we want to pay off debt, we want to save money for the wedding, do all the decor, DIY some stuff, you know, and in the process we want to make money doing it. So if you have not seen my post, please, the Facebook link is down below. The shop is called KK's Thrifty Design. So KK is Kendra, that is Jared's sister's name, and she goes by Aunt KK, so that's how we do it. And then we still wanted to do Thrifty, just because a lot of people in here know me by Thrifty, and then a lot of people on Instagram knows me by Thrifty. So we decided to keep Thrifty, and then Design is because we do decals. So we do a lot of t-shirt decals or t-shirt designs. We do mugs, glass. I'm doing two projects for a wedding for my brother. I'm putting details on a napkin. I'm doing window panes for one of their owls for their wedding. So it's going to be super, super exciting. And we launched Sunday. When you are watching this is Tuesday. It's Tuesday when you're watching this, but we launched on Sunday. And we put up a product today, which is Monday that I'm filming it, which is kind of confusing, I know. But Monday we put up a product, and we have gotten a couple of orders, which are Mother's Day. So if you want to order your Mother's Day card, click the link down below, and I would be happy to send y'all a Mother's Day card for anybody in your household. But anyways, so let's count this before I get distracted. All right, so 1, 2, I want to keep that, 2, 40, 60, 80, 1. And I have decided that there's so much like money right here that I kind of want to put it in the bank. So this will probably, if it's not here next week, it is in my savings account. So be on the lookout for that. If not, if I don't have time, then you will see all this money. 2, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. It's a lot of ones. All right. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that's $10, but we have 1, 2, 3, 4, So $410 is how much we have saved up so far. All right, and we are going to do our Erin Condren. So our Erin Condren is while I'm looking for a pen actually, Erin Condren is a 7.9 planner. If you want to buy your first planner, then the link will be down below. I do get points, and if you click my share a sale, yes, I am affiliated with Share a Sale now, which I am super pumped, but I am affiliated with Erin Condren, so every time you click on the link and if you buy something, then I get a little bit of commission. Now, I do not know how much the commission is. I have not made any money, but if you buy something through that link, then I will get a commission, and I'm not going to hide that from you guys. So I just wanted to let y'all know, and I do not have a black pen, so I don't know where it's at, so we're going to use a blue pen, which is really pretty. Maybe I should go a darker one. Let's do, oop, I just threw that away. Red. Let's do red. All right, so it is week 19, and we put $3 in. So our total is $410. I know a lot of people are going to be OCD because it's a different color. I'm sorry, I should have been more prepared, but I feel like I have not talked to y'all in forever, so I was not prepared for anything. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and let me know down below how you are doing on the 52-week challenge, and be sure to go and check out our new shop. It is on Facebook right now. We are working to get on Etsy, so be on the lookout for that. I would really appreciate your love and support. You don't have to buy anything. I'm not pressuring y'all to buy something. I just want to, you know, get our name out there so we could put that money into our wedding and for our debt. But anyways, I hope y'all have a great week, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.